Hey guys, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs like this, take the hairs from the sides and then make the plaits on the hairs easily like this. Follow the same step for the other side, join the hairs on the back, divide it from the between, now fold it upward and fix it. And it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the sides, divide it into two parts, make the plaits on the upper part. After it is done, we will join the hairs, fold it upward like this and fix it. Now tie the hairs on the lower part, make the plaits and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into small sections and fix the thread on it. Now by making the plaits, we will fix the threads on the hairs. Fix the threads using multiple colors. Now join all the hairs, make the plaits on it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail and fix this rubber band on the hairs by rotating it like this. After that, we will tie the hairs, divide it into two parts, make the plaits and fold it. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail, roll it upward using this bun making tool, fold it and spread the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the sides. Now divide the hairs into two parts, fix it and then rotate it like this. Now fix both the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top like this. Fix it using the rubber bands and it's ready. Thanks for watching.